For your lab, the materials you'll need are a Bunsen burner, 5 pennies that were made after the year 1982, a funnel, a small graduated cylinder, a beaker with water, a flint starter, a beaker tongs, safety goggles, and a weighing dish. Okay, one of the first things you're going to need to do to get your lab ready is you're going to need to start your Bunsen burner. To do this, you need a burner and you need a lab station that has a gas hookup. You're going to take the tube, you're going to put it on the gas valve so that it is tight. Then you will open up this halfway. You'll be able to hear the gas. It'll kind of sound like a very faint, like wind. When you hear that, you're going to take your flint lighter. Inside it, there's a little piece of flint that when you strike it, it'll make a spark. So hold it over your burner and strike it. When you're ready to shut it off, all you have to do is turn this back to the start position. It'll shut your burner off. Okay, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of the procedure because you can read through the procedure, but this might be a little easier for you to understand. So we're going to take pennies that are made after the year 1982. 1982, the price of copper went up and it wasn't a good idea. The United States government was losing money making pennies. So what they did is they made pennies with a metal inside and a copper coating. So it still looks like it's made of copper, but there's something inside. Your job today is to take the metal out of the inside and figure out what the metal is inside by using the density. Safety precautions for this lab: you'll have to wear goggles at all times. You'll be using flames and you'll be using liquid molten metal. So make sure that you are very careful when doing this. You're also going to want to wear closed-toed shoes on Friday so we don't burn any toes. When you're ready to start, and your Bunsen burner is ready and your water is set right next to you, you're going to take 1 penny and you're going to hold it in the tongs. Beautiful camera woman, will you come a little closer so you can see? I'm going to take the penny and I'm going to start heating it. And this should take about 10 to 15 seconds. You're just warming up the penny so that the inside of the penny gets molten. You can see a little green flame. What that is that's copper atoms. When copper is heated and it gets excited, the electrons start to bounce off and it makes a green color. That's pretty. After 10 or 15 seconds, you're going to take your penny over to your water and you're going to tap on the side of the beaker. Some metal should fall out. If it doesn't, you just need to heat longer. You can see that there's little bits of silver in my beaker. That's the metal on the inside. I'll show you one more time. Oh, I forgot. Before you put this down on the counter, take your whole penny in your beakers and dip them in the water. You don't want to put a hot penny on the counter because you're going to burn your lab partner. So one more time. Pinch the penny in the tongs, heat it up 10 to 15 seconds. Enjoy the beautiful green flame. Move it over to the water and, ooh, it didn't work. There it is, hanging there. A little more heat. You can do that 5 times, and then you're going to use all that metal in there to do the rest of the lab.